Guys, Sean here at K2 Trades. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the things that you'll need to begin using the K2 trading strategy. So first, you're going to need a TradingView account. You can run the K2 trading strategy on a free basic account, but if you guys want to trade exactly how I do, then I highly recommend that you guys upgrade to a Pro Plus account. Next, you'll need a trading broker. For beginners, I recommend forex.com. It's very user-friendly and anyone can sign up and start using it right away. Next up would be TD Ameritrade. That's what I use personally. This broker caters to the more advanced traders. So if you guys don't know how to put in a trade yet, or you guys don't understand all the functions of a trading platform, then I recommend you start off with forex.com and then move up from there. Other than that, you guys can sign with an offshore broker. I've never used an offshore broker before, and I probably never will. So I can't recommend any specific offshore broker to you guys. I know that they allow for high leverage, so you can basically trade a small amount of money for large position sizes. But from what I heard, they're very unreliable. So if you if you win too much, then they might freeze or suspend your account. And I mean, you guys wouldn't want that to happen to you, right? So I'd probably go with one of the first two. Next, you'll need a subscription to the K2 Trading Strategy Indicator. I'm sure you guys know what that is already since you guys are here. But if not, you guys can check out k2trades.com and you can find more information about it there. So for the TradingView platform, this is required to run the K2 trading strategy, as it is the only platform where the strategy can be executed. If you don't have an account already, you can follow the link below, and then you'll receive a free 30-day trial to try out any of the 4 plans available. And if you decide to upgrade, then you'll receive a substantial discount. So if you guys don't have an account already, go ahead and click this link below. It'll be placed below, and then you guys can click on that and start your free trial. So I'll be going over the TradingView platform plans. So the first plan is a free basic plan. This plan is going to limit you substantially if you're not going to upgrade to the Pro Plus account, because on the free basic account you only have one chart up at a time. So if you watched my previous YouTube videos, you'll see that I use 4 charts at a time, so I can efficiently look at all the charts and determine the trend and direction right away, so I won't miss any trades. So that'll definitely limit you a lot. Also, you only have one device up at a time, so you can't have TradingView open up on your computer and then on your phone at the same time. You'll get an error. It'll require that you reload your page, so you won't be able to have different windows up at one time if you're like on your computer and then if you're looking at your phone at the same time. They also have a replay mode. You can use this to backtest the strategy, but unfortunately on the free basic account, they only allow for daily, weekly, and monthly, so you won't be able to backtest scalping strategies and intraday strategies. Also, you only have one alert, so you're only going to be able to follow one pair at a time. So I mean, you're going to miss out on so many trades if you don't upgrade your account. Next up, we have the Pro account. For the Pro account, it's a little better. You get 2 charts per tab. It's still not as good as a Pro Plus because you can only look at 2 time frames at once, and it's just going to be a hassle for you guys. Also, you can only have one device up at a time. The good thing about this is that you can have replay mode on all time frames, so you'll be able to backtest scalping strategies, intraday strategies, and swing strategies. Also, you'll get 10 alerts, so you can follow 10 pairs at one time. So you can set an alert for each one. So if you get like an alert for the Euro USD, it'll give you an alert, or like you can have like 10 different ones. So you'll be able to follow 10 pairs, but I mean you're still going to be limited because you can only have 2 charts up at a time. This is the one that I recommend. This is the one that I've been using like basically my whole time with TradingView. For this, you can have 4 charts per tab. You can have 2 devices up at a time. So if you're sharing the account with someone, 2 you guys can be using it at one time. Replay mode is the same as Pro. Have all time frames, so you can backtest scalping strategies, intraday strategies, and swing strategies. But I mean, the biggest thing that comes with this is the 30 alerts. Like that's a lot of pairs to follow. You can set alerts for 30 pairs, so you won't miss any trades for 30 different pairs. Right now, I have the premium account. The only reason I upgrade to the premium account is so I can share the indicator with you guys. I mean, if I didn't need to, I would have stayed with the Pro Plus. But this gives you substantially more, than the Pro Plus. You'll have 8 charts up at a time. I mean, that'll definitely help, but I don't use it personally because my computer screen isn't that huge. Maybe at a later time I'll be able to use 8 charts at a time. But you'll also be able to use 5 devices at a time. So if 5 of you want to share a premium account, you guys can do that. It'll actually be a lot cheaper than paying for the Pro account or the Pro Plus by yourself. Replay mode's the same. All time frames are available, and I mean this is crazy. You get 200 alerts. So I mean if you want to maximize your trading potential, then obviously the premium account would be the best option. I haven't used 200 alerts yet. I still only used about 30, maybe 50 to follow 30 or 50 different pairs. But if you do have a premium account, you'll be able to follow stocks, forex, cryptos. I mean, whatever you like, because there's so many alerts to have. So if you guys have the money to splurge, then I mean, by all means, get a premium account because you're gonna make that money back in so many trades, anyways. All right, let me go back. Okay, so let me show you the actual options for TradingView. So these are the options for TradingView. So obviously basic, I mean, yeah, I have the most powerful plan of premium, but there's basic, pro, pro plus, and premium, and then this will have all of the differences here. So, I mean, one of the good things is ad-free. You'll have no ads, you can just trade. This is what I was talking about earlier. For basic, you only have 1 chart. Pro, you'll get 2. Pro plus, you get 4, and premium, you'll get 8. Devices at a time, explained that already. If you guys want to look at this, you guys can check out tradingview.com, and then you can look up the plans. But this is just a quick overview of the differences between the plan. You can tell it's a huge difference. Like if you want an indicator on the indicator, you only have 1 for basic or pro, but pro plus you'll have 9, and then for premium you have 24. That's so many. And these are like the alerts. This is what I was talking about earlier. For basic you only get 1. Pro you'll get 10, Pro Plus you'll get 30, and Premium, I mean, you'll get crazy amount, 200. So you won't miss any trades if you have Premium. And then, yeah, everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. Let's get back to the slides. Alright, so I was over here on Trading Brokers. So back to Trading Brokers, like I mentioned earlier, forex.com is good for beginners. It's user-friendly. They have non-commission and commission accounts, but I do recommend commissions so you can get in and out of trades quickly. I mean, you're going to be paying the same thing in non-commission anyways by spread, so I would just go for the commission account. For TD Ameritrade, it's the most powerful platform that I've ever used, but it's not user-friendly, so unless you could put in the time and work to understand the platform, I wouldn't recommend it right away if you're still a beginner. They also provide non-commission and commission trades, but this is on the same account, so you guys can do that all in one account. For forex.com, there's 2 separate accounts, so you have to sign up for one or the other or both. And TD Ameritrade also has like some of the best spreads that I've ever had before, so I definitely recommend it. For offshore brokers, like I said earlier, they're very risky and unreliable, so I can't recommend them. They're non-US regulated. But from the traders in the group, I heard that most of them use FXCM, which is not, they don't allow US traders anyway, so if you're in the US, you won't be able to use it. There's Traders Way. I've heard that people have had their account frozen and suspended for winning too much. That's the same with Hugo's Way. I mean, I can't say anything about these guys because I've never used them before. But if you guys want leverage, then I mean, by all means, if you guys want to take that risk. Actually, let me show you guys the actual brokers. Okay, so this is forex.com. If you go here, you can basically look at the website. They have everything here. Explains the website. The one I use is TD Ameritrade. This is one of the very large brokers in the world. It's very reliable. I mean, they've been around for so long. They're US regulated, so I definitely recommend TD Ameritrade if you guys can. This is FXCM. This is one of the offshore brokers. I actually wanted to sign up with them a long time ago, but they don't allow for US traders. So I had to pass on that. Also, there's Owanda. Owanda is US regulated, I think. So, I mean, if you guys don't like forex.com or TD Ameritrade, you guys can check out Owanda. I think we have a few members in the group that use Owanda, so you guys can use that as well. There's Traders Way. I don't recommend this, but I mean, if you guys want leverage, go ahead. And same with Hugo's Way. A lot of people also use this, but I've never used them. I probably will never use them. I love TD Ameritrade. I'm never going to leave them. So hope that explains it to you guys. Let's go back to the slides. Okay. So the last thing you'll need is a subscription to the K2 Trading Strategy Indicator. If you guys are in the beta test, you guys are in for for a huge discount. Once the beta test is over, the introductory price is going to be set at $100 a month. Price will increase to $250 a month once the introductory period is over. However, subscribers who enter at the introductory price at $100 a month will be able to lock in that price as long as they don't cancel the subscription. So as long as you're paying that $100 a month and you keep using the strategy, you guys can maintain that price. However, if you cancel the strategy and then you want to return later, you'll have to pay that current price. So if you get in at the introductory price, I recommend you just keep it. I mean, if you use the strategy every month, you're going to make that money back in like 1 or 2 trades anyways. And let's see, what do we finish off with? Okay, so this is what's included in the K2 subscription. You'll get full access to the K2 trading system indicator, access to the subscribers only private Telegram. So in this Telegram group, it'll have all the subscribers in there, and we'll be helping each other, master the strategy. So if you're in this group, I mean, there's no way that you won't get the strategy because everyone will be helping you. You'll have, one-on-one mentorship from me. You can ask me any question, and I know I haven't been very active in the chat. That chat has blown up so much, so it's hard for me to keep up. But in the private Telegram, I'll be pretty active in there. So if you guys ask any questions in there, I'll be able to break down your question and help you get to the next level. Other than that, you'll be receiving a detailed video tutorial teaching how to apply the K2 trading strategy for intraday trading. Also, I'll be teaching, you'll be learning intraday trading, but you'll also be learning swing trading. And I might just throw in scalping as well, because scalping is, that's where I shine the most. That's where I started trading. I started as a scalper, but now that I don't have as much time to be on the charts all day, I've switched to intraday trading, which it's not as bad, because I don't need to be on the charts all day. But I mean, obviously, if you're scalping, you'll make the most money that way. So I could teach you guys that as well. Also, you'll have access to my trading mentorship, so you can learn to trade exactly how I trade and grow your account consistently. The strategy is pretty simple. I mean, the indicator does most of the work for you, but I'll be showing you guys the shortcuts that I take and the things I look out for, so I'm able to, basically get into a trade before the indicator confirms. So if you guys just subscribe to the K2 trading strategy, you guys will get all of that. And over time, I'm going to keep adding more stuff to the subscription. So I definitely recommend that you guys subscribe if you guys want to be consistently profitable. I've been using this strategy for over 3 years now. I've been using it year round. It's been working. It's had no issues. And if it does have issues, I'll bring it up to you guys, and I'm able to analyze it and fix where the flaws are located. So guys, I hope this helps you guys understand what you need to get started with the K2 trading strategy. And if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to our social media. And I look forward to training you guys soon. Alright guys, see ya.